Welcome back to another Modern Warships video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the free reward of this event, which is the Grenade Launcher, the FQF-6000 from China. This Grenade Launcher can be sold and bought from the market also. It costs 149 ARC coins. It's really cheap, but I haven't tested out its capabilities yet. So this will be my completely first time trying this. So I've upgraded it. Let's see its stats. It does a damage of 4355 with 5 rounds per attack. So I got my calculator here, and that is about 21,775 damage per burst damage. It has a speed of 417 knots, so comparing to the OBU, it's slightly slower. It has a 3.33 rate of fire, which is slightly less than the OBU 2500. It has a range of 13 kilometers, which is much higher than the OBU 2500. It has 23 ammunition, which is slightly less, and a firing penalty of 22, which is also less than the OBU 2500. It has a reload of 5.25 seconds, which is slightly higher than the OBU 2500 reload. So that is its damage. So now I'm going to test it in test drive to see how it does for the first time. Okay, so here we are. The FQF-6000. Okay, I'm gonna, okay, 1, 2, 3. I mean, I can kind of see why nobody uses this grenade launcher. It's kind of inaccurate. Okay, maybe if I position my sheet. Yeah, this grenade launcher is inaccurate. No wonder nobody uses this. To be fair, it's not that bad. But obviously the OBU 2500 is better. Okay, next, let's see how much spread it has while playing. Okay, there is a lot of spread. Okay. Okay, now let's actually test its burst damage properly. Okay, never mind, not that one. Okay, why are my auto cannons? Okay, let's attack this submarine. Okay, at least it can attack submarines. That's a good thing. 56,000 damage for 3 grenade launchers. So that's about 20,000 per grenade launcher. I mean, I don't really see anything special with this. So okay, so now let's go for a few deathmatch rounds with this grenade launcher and see how it performs. Here we are, Greenland. One thing I didn't mention is that although the FQF has a lower fire rate, it only has 5 rounds per attack, so it could potentially deal higher or no. It can deal damage faster than the OBU 2500, but we have to see first. Legend. Everyone's using Atmaka missile. What is happening? Hello? Okay, I have no idea why is he even attacking me. Wait, am I offline or something? Why is my game so laggy? Okay, now actually, why is my game so laggy suddenly? Nice. He's dead. Ooh, looks like the enemy team is done. That's the Jack Knight. Oh, he's there. Okay, you know what? I'll reduce my water graphics. I don't know why it's so laggy today. FQF. Let's see. Not as bad. Jesus. No, my air defense is being distracted by the helicopter kind of. Oh no, the bomber is attacking me. Wait. Nice. This grenade launcher is more effective at close range. And yep, I died. Why is he so laggy, bro? There we are, next round. Winter Clash prize winner. I have no idea what that is. Probably like some Christmas event. Tier 2. That's a very interesting name. Yeah, this grenade launcher kind of. Okay, let's go here. Oh, we can attack them from here. He's using the new Paladin. Nice. Come on, last one. Nice. Saw coming through. Okay, let's attack this person first, obviously. I mean, considering that it only fires 5 rounds per attack to deal 20,000 damage, it's actually not too bad. The HMS Paladin, the new destroyer. For you. Nice. He's hiding. In terms of how long it takes for its crosshair to center, it's good enough. You see when I'm turning, the crosshair doesn't change. So that's a good sign of this grenade launcher. Yep. Hello. I can just stay here. Nice. One person left. Fire. He's using the Krishu Jaya. Also. Okay, so far the only bad thing I can say is the recoil. Other than that, it's pretty decent. I haven't found out about if this grenade launcher has a good area of effect damage or critical damage. I tell you, I can't tell the difference between it and the RF glider from long range. Okay, looks like it's going to defeat him. The helicopter. Nice. USS Fletcher and Arkansas. Scary. I've only seen 3 cannons being used on this ship. Dunshell gun, Mark 71 and RG-32 buckshot. I'm not surprised to be honest. Nice. Okay, I can try to go through. Who is that? X. That's the USS. Hello, Arkansas. If you think the new cannon. Okay, this is not the best position. Okay, the Fletcher is dead. Wait, bro, don't go. Come back, come back. Okay, if you're going there, I'm going. That's how it works. Okay, this grenade launcher is pretty effective against torpedoes. Yeah, I told you not to use. Are you okay? There's someone here. There's someone behind. Oh shit. Okay, this grenade launcher takes quite fast to focus on the target. That's good. This is so messy, bro. Come bro, hide. No. I'll kill you. Nice. Okay, it's 2v2. The Arkansas is definitely behind me. Where is the Arkansas? Wait, yeah, I knew it. The Arkansas was behind us. That's the... Okay, I was expecting to be the nuclear torpedo. Come back. DDGX. Nice. Nice. I don't really have anything bad to say other than accuracy, as I mentioned before. Actually, kinda like it. Will I sell it? Yeah, for me. I still like the RB2500. Hello, Mustafa. You remind me of the NCS artist, Mustafa. Yeah, just go in position like this. Yeah. You want, I'll sacrifice a bit of it. If not, okay. Nice. Nice. 1.4 million damage. our grenade launcher did 665,000 damage, the most actually. Okay, so here is my final opinion about this grenade launcher. Is this a good grenade launcher and is it worth to keep or buy? In my opinion, this grenade launcher actually isn't that bad, other than its recoil. Its damage and DPM is actually pretty decent. But comparing it to other grenade launchers like the OBU-2500, the OBU-2500 excels in its AoE due to its high rate of fire. But FQF-6000 excels in destroying submarines and torpedoes due to its high single projectile damage. So yeah, I say it really depends if you want to keep this grenade launcher or not. It's pretty hard for me to give an opinion for this, considering that it's actually kind of underrated. So yeah. So that's the end for today's video and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching everyone and bye.